Welcome everyone! Today we will be discussing two fascinating creatures that often go hand in hand, the sea blackbird and the seagulls. These birds have in common the fact that they are both notorious for their presence in coastal areas and their ability to adapt to different environments. The sea blackbird, also known as the African penguin or Indian Ocean penguin, is a large seabird that can be found in oceans all around the world, from the Antarctic to the Indian Ocean. This bird is characterized by its dark plumage, which helps it blend in with the sandy beaches and rocks of coastal areas. It is a bird of prey, feeding on fish, squid, and crustaceans, so its ability to adapt to its coastal habitat is essential for its survival. On the other hand, African waterbirds that belong to the family of Laridae. These birds are characterized by their beak shape, which is elongated and pointed, their strong legs, and their ability to dive and catch fish. They are known for their calls, which are loud, repetitive, and often shrill cries, and for their tendency to gather in large numbers in coastal areas, especially near water bodies. Despite their differences, both sea blackbirds and seagulls share some interesting characteristics. They are both very social birds that live in colonies or flocks, and they have a strong sense of territory. They are also very efficient at catching fish, and their ability to dive and catch prey underwater makes them an excellent predator in their environment.